guys, welcome back to the Keep Productive YouTube channel. On today's feature, we're diving into Bear Focus Timer. We're going to be giving you a full review of this experience and how you can use the Pomodoro timer and white noise application as a way to keep focused when you're working, whether you're in the office or you're actually revising for an exam or something like that. It will give you an opportunity to keep focused, and we'll be reviewing it. It's a $1.99 app for iOS. I believe they have an Android application, but they don't actually have a link to it on the website. I'll include all you need to know in this review. Without further ado, guys, let's dive into Bear Focus Timer. Okay guys, before we dive in, you can call me a genius because this month's sponsor for June 2019 is Bear Notes. Yes, you better believe it, what a collaboration for this video. For those who don't know, Bear is a powerful writing and note-taking application for iPhone, Mac and iPad. This is a popular choice amongst writers and avid note-takers as a way to craft everything from simple notes to drafting your next blog post, storing code snippets, and working on your next theatrical masterpiece. With features like markdown editing, hashtag note organization, a range of typographies, and more, Bear is a smashing option for writers of all talents. Now, Bear has some exciting new updates since last time we spoke about it. A new WordPress integration, allowing you to automatically post to your WordPress blog, an exciting introduction by the team, and perfect for bloggers out there. Now, Bear has been a sponsor here before on Keep Productive, and it is great to have them back again. You can download Bear for free today on iOS and Mac. Bear Focus Timer has been on the App Store for some time now, and it gets a lot of love from those who love illustration. This application is really well designed. Now, primarily, this application is a Pomodoro timer and a white noise application. So let's go ahead and explore the iOS app and see what features you can get into. Now, the concept is pretty simple. You set a timer and flip your phone. Now, the timer doesn't start until you do this, and when flipped, it does pause. So for example, if you wanted to interrupt your session, you can do that quickly. There's a lot of settings you can change which helps to improve each session you do. For example, how long you actually have to focus for. So for example, if you're leaving a coffee shop in like 15 minutes, you can set it to 15 minutes or 10 minutes or whatever you want. If you're even better at longer sessions like 45 minutes, that's going to be ideal for you. You can actually set how many sessions you want to do as well, whether that's 3 or 4, which is typically what people go with in a cycle, and also how long your break is as well, because some people want a shorter and longer break. And also, you can set how long your long break is after those amount of sessions that you've done. You can also change the noise and the alert sound, which is brilliant. Now, this 10-minute session can be a lifesaver. Now, when I was able to do it, the sound wasn't half bad. Actually, when you flip the app over, the sound begins, and it used the white noise rain mode, and actually felt like I was in the middle of a thunderstorm. I actually at one point checked outside because I was like, oh my god, this is quite scary, because the sound quality was quite good. Despite the sun being outside, I'm not sure why I did that. Now, how does this compare to applications like Forest? Now, I would say Forest is a bit more interactive. You can record some form of achievement. For example, you actually get to see the forests you've built over time and the ones you've killed, I guess. But in Bear Focus Timer, it does have a similar feature by giving you what's called compliment cards, which is a nice addition, and you can collect these cards over time. Now, who's this app for? And I would say this is a good focus tool for students and professionals who want to use Pomos at their desk to do more. The one thing that makes this app more effective is the sound. This is a great endorser for students and those in sessions. During the session, I felt like I knew when the timer was on and off, and when I should be working and not even touching it. It doesn't do anything magical like block calls, but that's something you can do when setting your notification settings on iPhone. So it's a good application, actually quite a solid and consistent app, and a good way to get started, giving some early wins for those focus sessions you do. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this review of Bear Focus Timer. You can download it in the description below. Thanks very much to Bear for sponsoring this video, and just a reminder, that's a different type of bear from the bear we're talking about. There's 2 bears in this video, Bear Notes and Bear Focus Timer, so do check them out below, both of them. Anyway guys, thanks so much. I'll talk to you guys super soon. Please do subscribe if you're brand new, and I'll talk to you guys in a future video. Cheers everyone.